Hello, everyone. Welcome to my new video. Today we are at Hamilton, and I am currently at Hamilton Lake Domain. I intend to go for a walk and record some videos for my loving fans. Lake Rotorua, sometimes known as Hamilton Lake, is located near Hamilton, Waikato, on the North Island of New Zealand. It has a surface area of approximately 54 hectares or 133 acres and an average depth of 2 to 6 meters. It is home to the Hamilton Yacht Club, which hosts regular sailing events during the summer. This lovely park features expansive green spaces with walks and bike routes, a large, lively, and colorful playground, a loop track, dog walking areas, restrooms, and a cafe. All of the playground equipment is accessible to those with disabilities. The Domain, located in Hamilton's core city, is a popular destination for both residents and visitors, and it adds considerably to the city's flavor. The lake and flora offer a respite from the surrounding metropolitan surroundings. This is a significant destination for leisure and pleasure. It is home to a popular destination playground, as well as a privately managed cafe and function venue. The lake is used for a variety of water sports and recreation activities, including dragon boating, waka ama, yachting, sea scouts, and radio-controlled boat racing. Hamilton Lake Domain also provides an off-leash area for dogs. Now it is 5:45 p.m., and the weather is still bright and sunny. When sunshine touches the lake's waters, they sparkle. A leisure space designed specifically for children's play can be found here. This tiny child may be seen rotating on a bar on the grounds. Some children are swinging in this swing as well. As the youngsters rotate this apparatus, the water from the pool rises to the top and then falls back into the pool. It was a good mechanism. As the swirl swirls, water rises to the top, falls into the round vessel, and then returns to the pool. We can see several individuals lounging in the shadow of a tall palm tree on this gorgeous green lawn overlooking the lake. The white roofed building is the Veranda Cafe and Function Center. This is the picnic area. And there are many ducks waiting for some food from the children, who are holding bread pieces. They sometimes throw these bread pieces at ducks, who compete to catch each piece of bread. This popular location doubles as a cafe and a space for a variety of gatherings and activities. The facility is known for its picturesque views of the lake and modern amenities, making it a popular destination for both casual tourists and event organizers. Oh, there are lavenders there. What a lovely sight for my eyes to gaze upon. It looks stunning and smells fantastic. I thought these lavenders were better than the ones we saw at the lavender farms. The shade is really violet and looks amazing. I noticed a bee collecting honey from these blossoms. I recorded several footage of this action, and it was an enjoyable spectacle to witness. I took a couple additional close-up photos of these lavenders so you could have a better idea of what lavender blossom looks like. I noticed an ancient locomotive parked over there for visitors to admire this large, powerful vehicle. I strolled towards it, and now I'm right close to it. When I was close to it, I could feel its enormous immensity. It is really old, and it once served this nation. I researched the details and discovered that it was built in Glasgow, Scotland in 1880 for New Zealand Government Railways. It was making its way from New Plymouth to Palmerston North, Napier, and Wellington. It was mostly utilized for moving logs before being moved to this park in 1957. Oh, what a long history this gigantic machine has. I entered the engine room. As with a steam locomotive, I can see the boiler. There are a few levers, and the view from here to the front is interesting. For a brief period, I imagined this train was on its track, and I could see the vast countryside from here. Now, these levers are jammed and cannot be moved. From this perspective, it appears stunning. I continued strolling. And I noticed a lot of lavenders around. These are yellow marigold blossoms. They, too, look stunning. Again, lavenders are everywhere. Now, this is the rose garden. And let me discover what's inside. When I approached the garden, I noticed that there were many different types of roses to be seen. So allow me to photograph some roses for you all. Now you can sit and admire their beauty. Now that the filming of the roses is over, I'm leaving the rose garden. Here I can learn more about the Hamilton Lake Domain. The park is scheduled to close at 11 p.m. in the summer and 9 p.m. in the winter. I spotted a group of youngsters playing on these rides and realized my son was also in that group. Finally, my viewers, I'm going to close up this film. and I hope you enjoyed this video of Hamilton Lake or Lake Rotorua. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to support my channel. Thank you everybody again, and see you in my future video. Have a pleasant day, everyone.